Hey there, and welcome to Buy Wix Templates. In this video, we're breaking down the key differences between Wix Editor and Wix Studio, so you can choose the right platform for your next website. Let's dive in.
Let's start by looking around the interfaces. Wix Editor is simple and visual. You just click on elements, drag them into place, and build your page section by section. It's beginner-friendly and easy to get the hang of. Just keep in mind, you need to stay within the built-in page margins so your design looks good across devices. Now switching over to Wix Studio. The layout is more advanced and structured. You'll work with sections, containers, and layers, which help you stay organized, especially on more complex designs. Studio also gives you docking tools and alignment features that make positioning much more precise. It takes a little more time to learn, but gives you much more control.
Now let's look at how each platform handles responsive design.
In Wix Editor, you design for desktop and mobile. That's it. You'll often need to reposition or resize elements manually to make them fit on smaller screens. It works fine, but it's not always the smoothest process. In Wix Studio, responsiveness is built in. You can design for desktop, tablet, and mobile, and even create your own custom breakpoints. The layout adjusts automatically as the screen size changes, and you can fine-tune it however you like. This is a major advantage if you want your site to look perfect everywhere.
Let's move on to animations and effects.
In Wix Editor, you get a good set of basic effects, like fade-ins, slide-ins, zooms, and simple hover animations. They're easy to apply and work well for adding personality to your site. Wix Studio takes it a step further. You can create animations that respond to scroll position, trigger effects when elements enter the viewport, and add more dynamic interactions. These tools let you build a much more engaging experience, especially on modern creative sites.
What about content and code? Let's keep it simple.
Both platforms give you the tools you need if you ever want to add a blog, connect a product database, or use advanced features like custom interactions. But if you're just starting out, you don't need to worry about any of that. You can build a great site with no code and no extra setup in either one.
So how do you choose? Wix Editor is ideal for beginners, personal websites, and small business owners who want a clean, simple site they can launch quickly. Wix Studio is for those who want more control, more layout options, better responsiveness, and professional-level design tools. And the best part? At Buy Wix Templates, we offer beautiful, high-converting designs for both platforms. Whether you're using Editor or Studio, we've got a template to help you get started fast and look amazing doing it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out buywixtemplates.com to explore our full template collection. See you in the next one.